Hello all, this is David from Sunward Hobbies, now in beautiful HD, here to educate you on how to apply decals, or as some people like to call them, decals. Let's head to the back. Alright, here we are back at the bench, so let's get started on this tutorial. For an example, I will be using the top of this car body. It's got panel lines on it, so I can show you how to use decal softeners. Now, it is important that whatever surface you're applying decals to is smooth and glossy. So if you're spray painting, you can use something like the Tamiya clear spray, or if you airbrush, you can use their liquid clears. Now, every single model kit that I've come across comes with water slide decals, which of course mean that they can only come off when submerged in water. So for this, I used some good old RAF stencils as an example. I've already cut one out here to save some time. So let's get started. You'll first want to put your decal in some warm water. And depending on the quality of the decal, it can stay there for about 30 seconds, maybe 45 at the most. And while you're waiting, you're going to first apply some decal setter. In this case, I'm using Microscale's Micro Set. This will help the decal adhere better. So with a paintbrush, you're going to apply some to wherever your decal is going. And as you can see, after being submerged, the decal just comes right off the sheet. And it's ready to be applied. Now it is important, very important, that the surface is completely free of any air bubbles, as air bubbles can contribute to the decal peeling off or chipping off later. Now I'm going to give that just about 5 minutes to set, and then we'll be back with stage 2. Okay, so where we left off, we set the decal. Now it's time to soften it. For that, I will be using Microscale's Micro Sole. This is to help a decal set into panel lines, as you will see in a moment. and you'll just put a little bit over the decal. And with a trusty Q-tip, which I forgot to bring out for the first part of the video, you will press down gently in a rolling motion to force that decal into the panel lines. And as you can see, it's settled in nicely. And there's your simple steps on how to apply decals. Once you're finished, it is best for you to seal the decal with another clear coat, and then on top of that, a coat of whatever finish you want your model to be, whether it's gloss, semi-gloss, or flat. So I hope this tutorial helped you if you are a beginner in modeling, and if you are an experienced modeler, feel free to tell me everything I did wrong. This is David from Sunward Hobbies. Adios.